Here's the Pioneer horizontal discharge split outdoor section by probably someplace in China.
No, Japan. Made in China.
Made in China, designed in Japan. So it's Asian. And I'm sure it's done well. Efficiency rating 14.6 being the most efficient. It's least efficient 7.5 is a 9.2. So it's not.
It's for heating.
Not real heating efficient. Then it's 14.3 here, and it's 21 here with a possibility of 42.
Well, we don't. So this is really efficient, right? We don't have any units that go to 42 yet.
So it's
this is
23 seared is pretty good.
Yeah, about most of your units are like 16, 14.
So it's pretty good, and when it comes to air conditioning, not so good with heating, which you'll always know when it comes to heat pump. Now we are looking to see if we have the fittings. We have some fittings right here.
Those compression.
And this is wedges.
This will go on the bottom.
The customer has asked us to move this over to this corner. So we'll stay about 4 or 5 inches so we can build a wall. So we'll have to move the disconnect from way down there to here. But let me look. Where are we connecting on this thing?
I'll go right here.
On the other side?
Nope, power. And then all your connections to refrigerant goes in that.
Refrigerant connections on this end?
Yep.
So we'll need to come down that vent. Actually, that vent's perfect for where we need to be. We need right below the vent. So, why don't they do that on every one of these? They could have just.
We don't need these. We're not using 3/4. This would be if you're doing like 24,000 BTU head unit in there. You're not using it.
Bring out the copper line set out here.
Good.
This is where the power is going to go in. It says actually power input. We'll have the disconnect right here. Maybe right here. Probably right here. And we'll have a wire go up inside here with a connector. If you look inside here, they give you these, but we don't need them. It has
We need those. They come with compression fittings on it.
comes with flare fittings on it.
Yeah.
All 3/8. Let me see what we got in here. Yeah, they're all inside. You see them? Did you take them inside this?
I can't.
So we'll take this cover off right here. The 3/8 and then the larger ones back. In the back they have the flare fitting on them. This is for in case you go to a larger 3/4 size, which we will not be. This is 3/8 and quarter inch, real small. These are just in case, but we're not going to use them. The drain lines right here, we pull this down.
No, the drain line will go on the bottom.
Did you open it up?
I need a razor man.
They're all wearing shorts, I'm wearing pants, and guess what? I'm the one that has all the stuff, and I can squat down and get dirty and not worry about my knees.
I have cargo shorts.
Right, but I'm the one that has all the stuff.
We don't need insulation.
Got insulation on the pipes?
Yep, and wire. We're good.
What wire?
The wire we need.
Okay. The communication wire?
Yep, everything.
So we don't need to go into town?
We need a flaring tool.
I gotta get a flaring tool.
Want to give them a quick rundown what you need? What
Yeah.
they would need?
Many years I did use flaring tools in copper pipes for plumbing. Now these mini splits are doing flaring tools. So the hose is how long?
This one is 25 feet.
These will go with the legs and it will keep it from vibrating on top of the concrete. That's 25 footer. So we don't, the machine has the ability to support 25-foot lines. There will be more than 25-foot lines.
Pre-charged.
That's pre-charged inside here, not inside what about, let's open up the others that are longer, see if they're 50 foot, and if the wire is in there for it. Some really don't like all the surprises. So I had to go get a flaring tool. Since I took that out of my things in the plumbing bags and tools that I have, I took those out because I haven't used a flaring tool in quite a long time. I have, but not very much. So I'll go buy another high quality one. I won't have to drive an hour and a half back home and then an hour and a half back. And then come up in the hottest part of the day, which will be up in there anyway. Don't need. I was hoping to get here early, get started, and then get it knocked out before it got terrible hot. But that ain't gonna happen. Why should you ever expect things to work out just exactly how you plan them? If that was the case, we'd all be millionaires. We're not. So is that a drain line for the kit? We had to order two 50-foot lines, or supposedly the customer ordered them.
That was like a 50-foot, yeah.
The instructions are like a bunch of geeks. You know, they talk in their own little code. They don't really try to be very simple about things. So, effectively, per every foot past 25 feet, you have to use 0.16 ounces more Freon in addition to what's already in there.
Or a quart for this specific one, 1/4 inch, 3/8. If it was bigger, it would
If
be
it's
different.
bigger, it'd be more. Yeah, if we're using 1/4 inch, 3/8 on this, is what he's saying. And these young guys like correcting me. I'm just going to tell you as simple as I can, is 0.16 per foot more for Freon needed to be added for the longer line. And we have two of them that will be near 50 foot. And we'll have to flare the ends, which is probably why now all of a sudden there's this real fancy automatic $300 flare tool available online, because the air conditioning guys are making so much money that they can afford to buy platinum covered. There'll be a $2,000 to $3,000 flaring tool come out. It'll massage your back while you're doing it. You put it on like an armor